Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do range and interquartile range. So you'll like the range better because it's just the largest number minus, and I'll put this in parentheses, the smallest number. All right, so that's all you do for the range. So I'm going to go to my data set. The largest number I have here is 10. And the smallest number in my data set is 1. So 10 minus 1 equals 9. My range is 9, which means that all of the data set points are within 9 slots of each other, or 9 numbers of each other. Okay, so that tells us the spread. So again, range is just the largest number minus the smallest number. Interquartile range is definitely more complicated. When you think of interquartile range, I want you to also think of the median. All right, this is going to be really important in being able to find the interquartile range or the IQR. Okay, that's what people abbreviate it as. So I always have to first find the median. So that means I'm going to put my numbers in order from least to greatest. So let me go ahead and do that here. I gotta make sure I put both 3s. I got a 6, and then I have 2 8s, those, and a 10. All right, so this is, step 1. I have to find the median first. So I'm gonna cross out 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and I'm left with 3 and 6 in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and find the mean or the average of 3 and 6. So 3 plus 6 is going to go on top. I'm going to divide it by 2 because there are 2 numbers. Well, 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Okay, so this 4.5 here, we're going to draw a little arrow like this and put it 4.5. That is going to be not only the median, but we're also going to call it quartile 2 or Q2. All right, and what that does is it's basically separated my data set into a lower half and a higher or a bigger half. I think I would say higher half, right? So quartile 2 is the same thing as the median. It's the middle number. But that doesn't really help me find the interquartile range. Okay, we still have a couple more steps that we need to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lower half and I'm going to find the median of the lower half. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, and 3. All right, so again, I would cross out. I'm left with 2 and 3 in the middle. 2 plus 3. I'm going to divide by 2, so I'm finding the mean again. 5 divided by 2 is going to be 2.5. Okay, so what that means now is 2.5 is my quartile 1. Okay, so I found the mean of the data set, the mean of the lower half. Now I got to find the mean of the higher half. So again, I'm going to do my green. 6, 8, 8, 10. Well, what's really nice is, the middle number is definitely 8, right? So quartile 3 is at 8. Okay, so again, what we've done is this was the first half, right? We took the median of all of the numbers to get quartile 2. Then we took the median of the lower half to get quartile 1. Then we took the median of the higher half to get quartile 3. And we're almost done. So once we've done all this, we have all this data, the interquartile range is actually just Q3 minus Q1. And what that is going to do is it's going to tell us kind of like this information here, right? So this is going to be like where 50% of the data lies. And that's what the interquartile range tells us, okay? Where does 50% of the middle data lie? Okay. So I'm just going to take quartile 3, we said was 8, and I'm going to subtract quartile 1, which is 2.5. So my answer is going to be 5.5. So what that means again is that 50% of my middle data is within 5.5 data points of each other.